I'm working on building a winch mount for this thing. So I want to make a rear winch mount. I'm going to bolt it to the frame here and here, and then I'm going to make a tie-in for this rack that's going to bolt to the front of the winch plate. So you can see here I've got this one on the trailer you can look at. So I want to put two little pieces that are going to come up like this and go back so that the winch can't tip when it's under load. Alright, so I've got this bracket mocked up here. Let's see how that's going to fit in there now. I'm just going to dig them a little tiny bit bigger with this step bit. Perfect. Just putting these on finger tight so I can get the angles all lined up right and tack it together. We gotta get some longer bolts from somewhere because these are not gonna be long enough anymore. Just getting a couple threads in there to hold it in place while I work on it. Look at that, that worked out nicely. Winch mount for a 300 Honda Fourtrax.